Welcome you all to World Web Technology. Today I will be giving you a walkthrough of Loan Calculator plugin of World Web Technology. So we have already published the Loan Calculator WP in the WordPress.org. So you can get from here and download and use it. So let's start with the walkthrough of the plugin. So we'll start with the installation of this plugin. Upload plugin. Let's search Loan Calculator here. As it is published, we can find the loan calculator from here. Here we got World Web Technologies Loan Calculator WP. Installing now. Activating the loan calculator as it got installed successfully. Here in the panel, so you can click on the loan calculator. So here are the settings. So we have a total 6 settings. I'll be giving you a walkthrough of each setting and its purpose and its functionality, interaction with the front end. General setting consists of the basic one with the shortcode. You can use this shortcode and implement the loan calculator design and the functionality to any page. So I have copied the loan calculator shortcode from here. Go to add new and add a new page. You can add shortcode. We have copied from here. Paste it. Publish it. You can view the page to see the result of shortcode. So we have kept by default a design as this. You can modify all the text, color background, graph structure, contact us, disclaimer. From the top to bottom, you'd be able to make the changes from the admin panel of loan calculator. So I'm going to give you and walk through one by one. Shortcode I have already explained you. It's about calculator heading title. If you make changes here we can see the reflection. About this calculator is of the in detail page. By clicking here, you can go to the internal content that can be edited from here. If you want to make it a printable option, you can give this a tick in this checkbox and you can view the print option. If you don't want that, uncheck it. You can change the currency symbol, currency icons for all the spaces. By making changes here, all those icons will be changed. By default, we have kept monthly. If you don't select any, it will take monthly. And for now, I'm making changes for 3. I'm ticking all 3. So we'll make a changes here as World Web Loan Calculator. So I'm changing this sentence to more about this calculator. I'm adding here only a loan word to see the changes. I have not checked here, so the print option will disappear from there. And I'm changing, let's keep US for now, and I have kept ticked all this. So saving the changes, we can see the reflection in the front view. So we have made the changes. Refresh this front page to see the changes. You can see the title is changed. More about this calculator replaced with about the calculator. Internal content, we added loan. In the display setting, you will be allowed to change all the background colors, secondary background colors, graph border colors. Here it's yellow. This is the primary one, background color. This is selected color, and the background light color consists of this one, the background color, this. Border color is a black one, consists of the boxes, the placeholder, the border. Graph color is internal color. Graph border color, the border color of this internal color. Graph sub color, it's here, the small one. The interest color, we can see it at interest color. Graph sub border color or interest border color is what we can see here, this line. So I'm making the changes. Let's make this as a dark. Selected color to blue. Background color to this one. Border color to red. Graph color to little darker. Border color to again red. Sub color to green. So sub border color to red. So borders we have kept all red. Save the changes. Now can see the front end by refreshing it to see the result. So changes to the colors have been done in display settings. Let's refresh this page. You can see all the setting done. We have changed the background color, secondary background color, graph color, borders. We have kept all red, including the placeholders. So this is how you need to do the changes with the display setting. Default value setting. So we have kept some default value setting. You can make changes to it. You can raise the limitations, max and minimize the values. So here we'll make a loan amount as 20. Now here we can see 10,000. So we'll make changes to all one. So we are keeping the minimum value as 5,000. Maximum you can do increase it. Loan tip, loan amount tip, world web technology. So loan amount tip is this one, where you can see the changes of details of the placeholder. So each placeholder has a tooltip with the contents. You can edit the contents from here. Loan term, I'm keeping it 36. So minimum you must have 12, maximum 84. You can change according to your feasibility. Loan disable balloon. If you don't want to keep this balloon, you can disable it. It will disappear after the changes are done. But let's keep it for good view. So in the balloon, you can change the percentage to 50, interest rate to 6. So minimum interest rate and maximum interest rate can be set from here. Interest rate tooltip, can make it world web. Application fee and monthly rent. If you want to enable the fee calculation, you can click here. Automatically, this will be enabled, and you can make the changes here. Regular repayment label. So these are the labels which can be renamed and can be reflected. Labels such as monthly payment, total interest payable, balloon amount. So I can make the changes here and save it. So we have done almost 90% of the changes. To check the view, save changes. Changes have been implemented. To check it, refresh the page. You can see the loan amount is changed. Tooltip content changed to world web. Balloon amount rate is changed. You can edit these 3. Application fees design has placed here. Before it was not there. Once we check in, it appears here. Tab field settings. Disable tab icons. If you want to remove the tab icons, you can disable from here. Enable repayment chat tab. This is the repayment chat, loan amortization table, and the video tab. So I will be enabling the video tab. Already we have this 2 enabled. We'll be enabling the video tab, and we can add a YouTube video here of your product or anything which you wanted to add. So I'm copying one of our product, recent purchase plugin of WordPress technology. So you just have to share and copy the embedded link. Otherwise, it won't be appearing properly as desired. I copied the link, pasting here. Save the changes. Changes have been implemented. To see the reflect, to refresh it, you can see the video tab has came. The video and other changes have been gone. So we have kept disable tab icons. So tab icons went, and we can see the letters here as sentence. So it's using more space. So you can just uncheck this to get the tab icons back. So this is how you have to manage the tab setting fields. Contact us and a disclaimer setting. This is very common, a normal one. You can edit the contact us place, disclaimer contents, and contact us contents. So if you want to disable the contact us section, you just need to check this. So this will disappear from here. Info label, you can do contact pop-up button label. So the content inside this, you can change this. Let's change one, show you. Contact type pop-up, you can keep a link also. If you want to keep a link, you just copy paste a link here and save it, or else you can have a pop-up here. If you have a pop-up here, you just need to keep a content to display. Calculator disclaimer setting. If you want to remove this calculator disclaimer from here, you can check this. For now, I'm unchecking this as I want to make it appear. You can change the wording, loan calculator disclaimer, and this is the content. Make the save changes. So the contact us has been, I think I have kept checked. Let's uncheck and save this to see the changes of contact us. So in the loan calculator disclaimer, I have added this loan word. You can make this appear. If I check that, this will disappear from here, like the contact us has disappeared already. So changes have been made here. we'll see how does contactors reflect after the setting is done. You can see now the contactors visible, the content inside when clicked on the pop-up. Miscellaneous setting. This is the last setting and the important one as general settings. So in miscellaneous settings, if you want to uninstall this plugin from your system, you just need to check this thing. When you uninstall it, all the data inside, all the settings will be erased automatically. Disable font awesome CSS. If you want to disable the font CSS, you can check this out. Remove decimal points. So any decimal points kept like this 6 decimal, this will be removed here by checking this. Save the changes. See the reflection of it. Let's see how does the decimal goes. The decimal disappeared from here. So this is how all the 6 settings work in lone calculator plugin of World Web Technology. I hope you liked the demo video and I have covered all the settings in details. If you have any questions or queries, you can contact us through World Web Technology or you can comment us in this video below. Thanks for your time. Have a good day. Cheers.